Welcome to our event today. Today, we have some exciting things to tell you about Neon Dream. Neon Dream 4 and Dream 4 Pro have been an incredible success. Neon Dream 4 and Dream 4 Plus are incredibly beautiful with beautiful designs, incredible cameras, and a new Plus option bring bigger size to even more people. And Neon Dream 4 Pro and Dream 4 Pro Plus pack in incredible hardware for incredible prices. And just last month, we introduced Neon Dream 4 Fold, packing in everything from Neon Dream 4 Pro into a foldable design. Combined with Neon Dream 2 Air and Dream 3, this has become our best Neon Dream lineup yet. It's all fueled by Neon Silicon. Neon Silicon powers Neon Dream from the ground up, and today we're bringing our incredibly powerful Snapdragon 50CX chip to another Neon Dream device. This is Neon Dream SE. Neon Dream SE packs in incredible performance. With the Snapdragon 50CX chip, compared to other devices, it's not even close. It packs in the exact same performance as Neon Dream 4, a lot more performance compared to Neon Dream 2 Air, more performance compared to Pixel 7 and Samsung Galaxy S23. It packs in 8 performance cores, 2 efficiency, Neon J5 graphics, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 4nm process. For design of Neon Dream SE, it is incredible, with ultra-thin bezels with a hole punch camera, the back nice and clean, and the side, it's made of an aluminum border. It comes in 4 stunning colors: black, white, product red, and a stunning blue color. It features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and the back, with an aluminum border. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant for 4 meters for 30 minutes. For the display, packs in a 6.2-inch OLED display with resolution of 2400 by 1080 at 425 pixels per inch, at a 90Hz refresh rate, along with 800 nits sustained brightness and 1200 nits peak brightness, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 covering it. For the cameras, it features a main 48 megapixel sensor, that's a quad pixel sensor, 24mm focal length, f1.7 aperture, 7mm lens, and 100% focus pixels, a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor with 117 degree field of view, 15mm focal length, f2.3 aperture, and a 6-element lens, a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor with a 2x optical zoom, 52mm focal length, f2.0 aperture, and a 6-element lens, and finally a 10 megapixel periscope sensor with a 5x optical zoom, 120mm focal length, f3.5 aperture, and a 6-element lens. And for the zoom, this thing packs in 30x digital zoom. For video recording, it packs in 8K video recording for such an affordable device. 8K video recording at 30 FPS or 4K at 120. And for battery life, packs in a 4500 mAh battery, which gets you 21 hours of video playback, similar battery life to Neon Dream 4. For charging, we have a 45-watt fast charging support for 0 to 100% in just an hour. For connectivity, it features Bluetooth 5.3 along with Wi-Fi 6E and 5G, and also supports satellite messaging coming to Neon Dream 4 this month as well. So when you don't have cell service, you can just continue with satellite. So that is Neon Dream SE, featuring the same chip as Neon Dream 4, an iconic design, 6.2-inch OLED display with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, advanced cameras, 8K 30fps video recording, 4 stunning colors, and satellite messaging. There's no other smartphone like it for its price, which that price is just $499, an incredible value for what you're getting. That gets you 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. For a bit more storage, for 256 gigs, you can get that for $599. And it joins in the rest of the Neon Dream family, replacing Neon Dream 2 Air at $499, Neon Dream 3 sticks around a new lower price of $599, Neon Dream 4 at $799, and Neon Dream 4 Pro at $1099. So that is Neon Dream SE, but we're not done yet. We have another Neon Dream model to show you today, and this Neon Dream model focuses on exploration, adventure, and diving. It is incredibly advanced, and we'd like to show it to you right now. This is Neon Dream 4 Ultra. It is an incredibly advanced smartphone, our most advanced smartphone and most durable smartphone yet. The design of this can be summed up with one word, which is industrial. It features a slight curve on the back with thicker ultra glass on the front to be more durable. It's a titanium border with ultra glass on the front and the back. And on the side, you notice the quick action button has been relocated there, and it's now colored in international orange. And on the bottom, we made the speakers a lot bigger and redesigned so that they can be more water resistant. And the top, where the quick action button used to be, is where a second USB-C port lives. For water resistance, it features WR60 water resistance. They get to 60 meters underwater for 30 minutes, the most water-resistant smartphone in the world. And it's complemented with a depth gauge. It provides real-time measurement of depth for up to 40 meters, which is incredible. And it's also certified for EN 13319, which is the industry standard for dive computers and gauges. For the display, it features a 7-inch display, micro LED at 5244 by 2360 at 821 pixels per inch, at 165 Hz. It features 10-bit color with 1400 nits of sustained brightness, 2000 nits peak brightness, and 2400 nits outdoor brightness. It's the brightest display yet. And we've done something pretty cool with the always-on display. Not only have we redesigned the font to be more ultra, but we changed up the always-on display to now turn red so that it's better visible in the dark. For battery life, it features a massive 7,500 mAh battery, which gets you 36 hours of continuous battery life, making it the longest battery life of any Neon Dream. For the camera, it features a 200 megapixel main camera that's a quad pixel sensor, f1.6 aperture, 18mm focal length, 8-element lens, and 100% focus pixels. The ultra-wide camera has seen a massive upgrade, and now 108 megapixels, a 160-degree field of view, a quad pixel sensor, f1.8 aperture, 9mm focal length, 8-element lens, and 100% focus pixels. It features a 48 megapixel telephoto sensor that has a 3.5x optical zoom, quad pixel sensor, f2.0 aperture, 90mm focal length, 7-element lens, and 100% focus pixels. It's a 12 megapixel periscope sensor with a 15x optical zoom, f4.9 aperture, 270mm focal length, 7-element lens, and 100% focus pixels. A 12 megapixel anamorphic sensor that's a 2x optical zoom, f2.0 aperture, 60mm focal length, 7-element lens, and 100% focus pixels. And a 12 megapixel micro sensor with now 85x magnification zoom, f2.8 aperture, 7-element lens, and 100% focus pixels. And for zoom, it features 150x digital zoom. And for video recording, it features the same 12K 30fps video recording, 8K 120fps as well. This all combined with the incredible water resistance makes Neon Dream 4 Ultra the most advanced underwater camera. For connectivity, This thing features Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and 5G, along with L1 plus L2 and L5 GPS, making the most advanced GPS on any smartphone. And also features the same satellite messaging. We're bringing it to all Neon Dream 4 models and Neon Dream SE this month. So when you're out of range of service, you can just continue with satellite. And Neon Dream 4 Ultra will be the first smartphone to support satellite phone calls as well. These are lower quality phone calls, which talk time is limited to only 5 minutes, but works all without cellular. So when you need help, you can just call someone without cellular, but again, it's low quality so that they can connect to satellite. So that is satellite connectivity. For I/O, as we mentioned before, this thing features dual USB-C ports. And these are not just any ordinary USB-C ports. These are USB 4 to 80 gigabits per second, which is 2 times faster compared to Neon Dream 4 Pro, and 8 times faster compared to Neon Dream 3 Ultra. For power, this thing is powered by a Snapdragon 50CX Plus chip, which is just 10 performance cores, 2 efficiency, Neon J5 graphics, 4nm process, and 16 gigs of RAM. And so that is Neon Dream 4 Ultra, featuring a durable design with WR60 water resistance, quick action button relocated off to the side, the longest battery life of any Neon Dream, satellite connectivity, dual USB-C 80 gigabits per second ports, 7-inch display, depth gauge, big camera upgrades, EN 13319 certification, and Snapdragon 50CX Plus. This is the most advanced smartphone in the world. Neon Dream 4 Ultra starts at $14.99. That gets you 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. For a bit more storage at 1 terabyte, you can get it for $16.99, and 2 terabytes at $19.99. And it joins in the rest of the Neon Dream family, ranging from our most affordable Neon Dream model yet to our most advanced Neon Dream model yet. So that is Neon Dream. We also have an incredible accessory to go along with Neon Dream, which is a wireless charging mat called Neon PowerBase. And this is what it looks like. It's a multi-device wireless charging mat. So you can charge multiple devices on it, like multiple phones, or you can charge your accessories, like your Neon watch and Neon soundbuds. It supports USB-C power, and it can charge 15 watts per device and 45 watts for one device. It has a Neon-made thermal chip, so everything stays cool, and it features 16 individual Qi wireless charging coils. It comes in 2 colors, black and white, and it starts at $199. It's compatible with any Qi-enabled device. So that is Neon PowerBase. So today we showed you our most affordable and capable Neon Dream model yet, Neon Dream SE. We showed you our most advanced Neon Dream model yet, Neon Dream 4 Ultra, and we showed you an incredible accessory, Neon PowerBase. This was an incredible event, and we still have a lot more to show you this year. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.